Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is 10 September 2024. In this episode, we delve into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and more. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not reflect our opinions and is simply a reflection of news items in public media. Let's kick things off with a cautionary tale about the dangers of masking API errors in user interfaces. An article highlights the pitfalls of using generic error messages like, "Something went wrong, please try again later." Such vague messages can leave users bewildered and frustrated, especially when the issues could be as simple as missing parameters or permission problems. While some argue that masking errors reduces confusion, the author suggests that providing meaningful error codes or request IDs could actually empower users and engineers to resolve issues more efficiently. Transparency in error reporting could significantly enhance user experience. Moving on to a concerning trend involving Elon Musk's likeness, scammers are increasingly using fake live streams of Musk on YouTube to promote cryptocurrency scams. These deepfake videos often feature Musk speaking at events and can attract tens of thousands of viewers. Scammers hijack existing YouTube channels, renaming them to appear as official Musk or Tesla accounts, thus reaching a large audience. The streams typically include links or QR codes, leading to scams promising high returns on cryptocurrency investments. Despite efforts to curb these fraudulent activities, the prevalence of fake Musk live streams continues to be a significant issue on the platform. In legal news, the European Court of Justice has upheld a $2.4 billion fine against Google for abusing its market dominance through its shopping comparison service. This ruling concludes a case that began in 2009, with the court dismissing Google's appeal entirely. Google has expressed disappointment, noting that it had made changes to comply with the European Commission's decision, which it claims have benefited over 800 comparison shopping services. This judgment is seen as significant, as Google has exhausted its legal options in this case, and further compensation claims from affected parties may arise. Additionally, Google faces ongoing investigations and lawsuits, including one from the US government regarding its ad tech business. In a related story, the European Court of Justice has also ruled that Apple must pay €13 billion in unpaid taxes to Ireland. This decision overturns a previous ruling by a lower court and is part of a long-standing legal battle with the European Commission. The court found that Apple had received illegal state aid through favorable tax arrangements, allowing it to pay minimal taxes in some years. Apple has expressed disappointment, arguing that the case is about which government should collect the taxes. The ruling is seen as a landmark case regarding the taxation of multinational corporations, with calls in Ireland to use the windfall for public investment. Shifting gears to space exploration, Elon Musk has announced that SpaceX plans to launch uncrewed Starship missions to Mars in 2026. These missions aim to test the rocket's landing capabilities, with the potential for crewed flights as soon as 2030. Musk envisions establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars within the next 20 years, believing that becoming a multiplanetary species would enhance the longevity of human consciousness. The Starship rocket, the largest and most powerful ever built, is designed for rapid reusability, allowing for quick inspections and relaunches. SpaceX has conducted 4 test flights, with a 5th plan to include attempts to land the Super Heavy booster back on the launch mount using a unique chopstick mechanism. Lastly, let's touch on a more personal note involving Elon Musk's ex-partner, Grimes. The electronic artist recently made headlines with a subtweet while posing with a Porsche, humorously suggesting she might join her sons in heretical worship of the combustion engine. This comes amid a custody battle with Musk over their 3 children. Grimes has expressed support for Musk's transgender daughter, Vivian Wilson, who has criticized her father for transphobic remarks. Despite the ongoing drama, Grimes appears to have reunited with her children and is returning to her artistic endeavors with a sharper edge in her commentary. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and beyond. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.